Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making classic vanilla cupcakes and decorating them with beautiful cream flowers. At the end of the video I will show you how to assemble the cupcakes into a bouquet in a basket. Well, let's get started. In a separate bowl add milk, eggs and vanilla. In the bowl of mixer add room temperature butter, powdered sugar and a little milk to help the mixture beat better. Attach the mixer whisk and start beating the ingredients at medium speed until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Now add the remaining milk and eggs. Then add the dry ingredients and mix everything thoroughly at medium speed. Now add raisins and mix everything with a spatula. Transfer the dough to a piping bag. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Fill the cupcake liners halfway. For decoration, I will be using chunky flakes cream. Since the cream is not initially completely white, I will bleach it with a dye to make the flowers whiter. Now I will take a fresh portion of cream and dye it yellow and add a little orange to make it a warmer shade. Now using a rose nozzle, I will make some flowers. Next, I will take a small rose nozzle and make a mnemonic. For each flower, I will make 2 rows of petals. Now let's assemble the bouquet in a basket. I have prepared a frame for the bouquet and disposable cups in advance. Using sticky tape, I glued the disposable cups together. Place our frame in the basket. Using decorative green paper, wrap each cupcake and place it in the frame. Thus, we assemble our bouquet. Such a bouquet can be given to friends or relatives on any holiday instead to live flowers. It will be beautiful and delicious. Thank you all for watching.